Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for July 12th, 2016. For your Tuesday, not much difference from what it was on Monday. We're going to have the humidity go up slightly and temperatures go up slightly from what they were yesterday. So add about 2 degrees, add a little bit to the humidity, and that's what we'll be dealing with today. Otherwise, a partly sunny day once again, and not expecting anything in the way of precipitation. This to our south is along a warm front that's going to be moving through the area here on Wednesday. I'm going to move ahead to that right here, and you can see that moving northward is going to be an isolated chance for a shower or thunderstorm, and it's a very, very low chance. It's probably about a 20% chance across these sections that I'm circling. See areas further east, not really much going on. That's going to be an association again with a warm front that's going to be moving up northward. It's going to come through our area probably Wednesday night. Area low pressure associated with it is up here. Cold front sitting back here. It's not a very good drawing, but you get the general idea, and that's what's going to be going on Wednesday. I do want to get over to the dew points, because now we're definitely it's a no-brainer when you can look at our local forecast and see 90s, especially by the time we get to Thursday and beyond. But one of the big things we're looking at here are dew points, and this is what we looked at yesterday. Yesterday was a comfortable afternoon. Dew points, many in the afternoon dew points were again like Sunday in the 50s, maybe some lower 60 values coming in here. But as we get into today, this is what we're increasing to, generally low to mid 60s. So it is going up slightly, but this is not unbearable as far as dew points go. But as we get on the other side of that warm front, we'll get to Wednesday first. Wednesday increases to the mid to upper 60s, and then behind that warm front, we're in the 70s here. So quite a bit of a difference in terms of humidity. It's going to be progressively increasing throughout the week. So by the time we get to Thursday, it peaks, because then when a cold front's going to come through, and here's Friday, you're back in the 50s to near 60 again. So even though it's going to be hot here on Friday, as far as air temperature is concerned, we're not going to have the humidity that's going to be overly impressive. And then that's going to continue straight into this weekend. Here's a look at Saturday. Again, another lower humidity day, despite the temperatures being 90 or above in many locations. So let's get back to the globals and show you what we're looking at as far as precipitation. Again, this is later Wednesday. We have the isolated chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Again, just about a 20% chance. And moving ahead to Thursday, we're going to have a cold front moving in from the west. Now, it doesn't really get too far, and I think it's going to end up favoring our western counties. The European model and the GFS are both in pretty good agreement that it doesn't really get too much farther than this here. So anything up here that would include northeastern PA, western section of east central PA, maybe out here by Harrisburg, York County, places like that, could get into a shower or thunderstorm as well. These will be widely scattered and later in the day on Thursday, so it'll help break some of that heat that we're going to be dealing with. And this cold front, you can very easily see where the back of the cold front is. It's back here in association with the area low pressure up to the north. So once this moves through, it won't be until later Thursday night or Friday, but I don't think you're going to get any precipitation with that as that moves through. You can see that we get into Friday here. The front is already past this point. That's why you're going to have Friday still be hot. This isn't really a cold front by definition. This is more like a cool front, if you will, just because it's going to knock back the humidity, and that's about it. The temperatures are still going to stay hot, still be in the 90s here on Friday across many locations across the region. And then Saturday, I think, is going to be another day like that. Maybe not quite as hot, but it's still going to be slightly above normal at least for highs, and the humidity will be on the lower side. This mess down here to our south is what we'll be watching here then for Sunday. This is getting to the maximum point of our forecast range. This might come in very early Sunday with some showers and thunderstorms, but right now it looks like it's going to move out for the afternoon. Might not be an all-day deal, so we could have some storms maybe late Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then it clears out behind that. But we'll have to watch for that, because the placement of this feature has been all over the place the last couple of days. However, the GFS and the European model are pretty close to the idea that it's going to be coming through here right around these same regions here with these showers and thunderstorms. And again, that's late Saturday night, it looks like after midnight into Sunday morning, or at least the first half of Sunday. We'll narrow down timing of this as we get a little bit closer. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for July 12th, 2016. Have a great Tuesday.